गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल सर अब्दुल सत्तार खान। 10 मार्च 2024 सॉल्व एग्जाम पेपर। ये गेस पेपर है इंग्लिश का। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 लेटर राइटिंग एंड डायलॉग राइटिंग, स्पीच राइटिंग। लेट्स बिगिन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का ए है लेटर राइटिंग। इंफॉर्मेशन ट्रांसफ़र, इनफॉर्मल लेटर और फॉर्मल लेटर है। यू आर अनीशा भट्ट द इंचार्ज ऑफ द टूर एंड एक्सकर्शन क्लब ऑफ सेंट थॉमस हाई स्कूल, SB रोड, पुणे 411016. During the summer break, you are planning to organize a tour to a place of historical importance with your classmates and teachers after your board examination. Informal letter. Write a letter to your friend's father and request him to send your friend Dinesh Disha to visit a place of historical importance. A to formal letter. Write a letter to the Directorate of Tourism, MTDC, DV Road, Church Gate, Mumbai. A1 informal letter. Anish Bhatt, St. Thomas High School, SB Road, Pune, 14th November 2023. Dear Joshi Kaka, hope you and your family are doing well. I am always grateful to you and your family for the advice and guidance getting from you. So I visit your home whenever it's possible for me. But you will be surprised to see my letter instead of call or message. I am lucky to be a friend of Dinesh, who is not only sincere but also meritorious students of our class. I always get his support in the subject like geometry, and being close friend I have been observing that he doesn't like to go out and enjoy tours, picnic and excursions. He is always behind studies. I know study is important, but enjoying life is also important to get the real taste of life. So it's my humble request to you to send Dinesh with us for tour come excursion after getting over board examination. We are planning 2 days tour come excursion at a historical place nearby Pune. Most probably it would be on 1st and 2nd April 2024. Our 8 teachers and 2 peons will be there with us to take care. Everything will be planned beforehand. So requesting you to convey Dinesh and send him with us. He always say no, but I would be more than happy if he participates in this tour with us. Convey my regards to aunt and love to little Raksha. Hope you will be do the needful. You are lovingly Anish Bhatt. Formal letter. Anish Bhatt, St. Thomas High School, SB Road, Pune, 14th November. To the Directorate of Tourism, MTDC, DV Road, Churchgate, Mumbai. Inquiry about charges, facilities to visit historical place. Dear Sir, I am Anish Bhatt, the in charge of Tour and Excursion Club of St. Thomas High School, Pune. We, the students of Standard 10th, have planned to visit a place of historical importance with our teachers after getting over board examination. We are 150 students, 8 teachers and 2 peons. The probable date will be the 1st and 2nd April 2024. If we plan it beforehand, it would be good for all of us to collect money and prepare ourselves accordingly. Kindly furnish the following details regarding the tour and oblique. Place of historical importance nearby Pune for 2 days tour and excursion. Information regarding the package tours provided by your agency for the students. Arrangement of accommodation of the students, teachers and the peons. Number of rooms and their total charges. Arrangements of breakfast, lunch and dinner and the charges per head. Arrangement of luxury buses and the charges for each bus. Any other information or relevant details regarding the tour or the total package tour including everything. If you provide the above information as early as possible, we would be able to finalize the spot. Hope to get good concession to the school students so that it would be a memorable tour to all of us. We also expect an experienced tour manager come guide with us. Kindly do the needful at your earliest. Thanking you in advance. Yours sincerely, Anish Bhatt. Question number 5, B1, B2, dialogue writing. Prepare a dialogue for the jumbled sentences. Do you think using mobile is a waste of time? Complete the dialogue. Write a dialogue on reading newspapers regularly. डायलॉग राइटिंग का आंसर है पहला ए पार्ट है, हाउ डू यू कंट्रोल योर सेल्फ फ्रॉम यूजिंग मोबाइल वाइल स्टडिंग. सेकेंड, आई सिंपली कीप इट इन माई मदर्स कस्टडी. थर्ड, डोंट यू विश टू यूज इट. Fourth, if you keep yourself busy in some work, you will never wish to use it. बी का आंसर है डायलॉग है ए, डू यू थिंक यूजिंग मोबाइल इज़ अ वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम? बी, नो आई डोंट थिंक इट इज़ अ वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम. Second है, why do you think so? B, because it keeps us connected with the world and provides lots of information and knowledge. Second है, reading newspapers regularly. Do you think reading newspaper regularly is important? B, of course, reading newspapers regularly keeps our knowledge update. Only to keep ourselves update shall we read newspapers. It is also a good source of information and entertainment, so it is necessary. Which newspaper do you read regularly? Why? I read Times of India as it is a good source of general knowledge and information. B2, drafting a speech. You are going to participate in an inter-school elocution competition. The subject given to you is India, a great cultured country. Draft a speech with the help of points given in the chart below to present it in the competition. India, a great cultured country. Honorable Chairperson, respected headmaster and teachers, and my dear loving friends, today I am going to express my thoughts on India, a great cultured country. I hope you will listen me carefully and attentively. India, which is situated in Asian continent, is the seventh largest country in the world. It is surrounded by oceans from three sides. It is also called the land of Shiva, Krishna, the dread of Buddha, and Mahatma Gandhi. It is one of the world's oldest civilization with all embracing confluence of religious tradition and customs. The highlights of Indian heritage lie in the treasure of its art, architecture, classical dance, music, flora and fauna, and the innate secular philosophy of its people. Even food in India is a legacy and part of Indian heritage, differing in look and taste in every state of India. India is a country where the people of different castes, creeds, religions, and cultures live together with harmony. They live together and speak their own languages, celebrate their own festivals, and follow their own culture and tradition. So, India is said to be a country of unity. It is famous for farming and agriculture, which is the backbone of the country. India has been trying its level best to develop in the field of science and technology, medicine, education. Poverty is the main obstacle in its development. So the government has to spend a lot keep it money on development projects. God has endowed India with a natural beauty, perennial rivers, high mountains, and clean and beautiful seashores, which attracts a lot of people towards India from the world. India has the beautiful attraction all over manifested in its as famous temples, mosques, churches, gurudwaras, rivers, valleys, fertile plains, highest mountains, monuments, etc. As per my experience, this country satisfies the soul of every person, be it of any religion or nationality. This country is a hub where people celebrate each of the festival like Holi, Diwali, Eid, Christmas, etc. with utmost joy and dedication. My motherland, India, is a lovely country. I can proudly say that I am an Indian. India is a land of wonders. We all should keep our heads high when we talk about our country. We are blessed to be born in this beautiful nation. We are future generations and need to make our country proud. We all should come forward and do our part to make India the best. मेरा भारत महान. जय हिंद. उम्मीद है आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. अगली वीडियो में दोबारा मुलाकात होगी. खुदा हाफिज़.